Time tracking tools with calendar integrations can transform your productivity, but knowing how to set them up properly is key. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to use them so you can start organizing your schedule seamlessly. Stick around till the end for an exclusive free trial link to the software we'll be using, only available to viewers of my channel. First things first, time tracking tools with calendar integrations allow you to track your work hours while syncing directly with your existing calendar. The goal is to automate the process so you don't have to manually enter your tasks or appointments. Start by selecting the time tracking software you'll be using. There are many options, but I'll show you how to set up one of the most efficient tools for this. After signing up, head to the integration section of the settings. Look for the calendar integration option. This is typically found under the integrations or syncing section. Once you've located this, you'll need to connect your calendar account, whether it's Google Calendar, Outlook, or another tool. The software should prompt you to log into your calendar account to authorize access. This step allows the software to pull your scheduled events into the time tracking tool, so you don't have to input them manually. Next, once connected, your calendar will sync with your time tracker, and you'll notice your meetings and events appearing in the tool. From here, you can track time based on your calendar events, making it easier to stay on top of appointments. For example, if you're working on a project, you can create a task, link it to an event on your calendar, and the software will automatically track how much time you spend on it. What makes this powerful is the ability to create automatic reminders for certain tasks. If you set a timer for a specific project, the software will alert you when it's time to start working, directly based on the schedule in your calendar. This ensures you stay on track, no matter how hectic your day gets. You can also view your daily or weekly reports within the software. These reports show how much time you've spent on specific calendar events and tasks, making it easy to analyze your productivity. For example, you can see if you're spending too much time on meetings and not enough on your main tasks. This is a great way to adjust your workflow for maximum efficiency. By using time tracking tools with calendar integrations, you create a streamlined system for managing your time. You're not just organizing your calendar, you're actively tracking your time, which helps boost productivity and avoid burnout. Now, as a quick recap, you select the time tracking software and integrate it with your calendar. You sync your calendar events with the tool to track time based on your scheduled activities. You automate reminders and track how much time you spend on various tasks. You can review your time reports to adjust and improve your schedule. The key takeaway here is that time tracking tools with calendar integrations are powerful for automating your schedule and boosting productivity. By syncing your calendar and tracking your time, you'll get a clear view of where your time is going and how to use it more efficiently. Before I close off, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we're using in the description below. It's only available to my viewers, so be sure to check it out if you want to follow along and start optimizing your time today. Thanks for watching.